video, I'm going to show you guys how you can trade the P2P market on Bybit exchange. Alright, but before we start, we cannot just walk into a topic without you guys not knowing what is P2P. What is P2P? What is P2P trading? P2P stands for pay-to-pay, which means you are trading directly with another person rather than through a traditional exchange. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to perform this P2P on Bybit. Alright, so before we start, now you make sure you have a verified Bybit account, which you can see my wallet has been verified. You can see over right here. Now let's go back. Okay, now you want to perform these transactions over right here, then you come over right here, you click on this P2P. Okay, let me go back. You can see this is P2P. You click on this P2P. All right, once you click on this P2P, now you want a verified merchant. So what is verified merchant? Verified merchants are those people who have verified their identity on Bybit, right? Okay, how do I get this verified merchant? Right, so you're gonna click here, then you see show only verified adverts. So right, so once you click on it and show only eligible, so once you click on it, you click on confirm. Okay, right, they are not click, so you click on here. So once you click on here, right, maybe you click on confirm. Right, so you can see all this verified merchants, they are verified, right? So which you can see over right here. So now let's say now you want to buy a coin worth of maybe 50,000 naira, or you want to deposit. Let me use the word deposit. Right, then you click over right here. You can see this person. Okay, for instance, let's say for instance, right, so I'm going to click here. Let me say I want to buy 50,000 naira worth of token, right? So you can see what I'm going to receive in my exchange is $31.3337, right? Before you receive this token into your wallet, you will first of all transfer the money to the buyer by you clicking on, when you are done, you click on buy, and Bybit is going to show you option like this. Then you click on pay, and Bybit is going to notify the buyer, right? So once you are done, right, so automatically the money will reflect in your wallet. In this case, I'm just using this to do a video tutorial. I'm going to click on cancel to cancel this order. All right, so let's cancel this order. So this order has been cancelled now. So that is how you can deposit money into your Bybit. Yes, that is how it is. Now in this case, I'm going to do the same thing on the sell section for you. You can call it withdraw, or you can call it say. All right, once you click on this say, right, so you see this USDT, then you go ahead and click on amount, right? So click on amount. Okay, let me say for instance I want to withdraw 4,000 naira, right, into my account. Okay, so no ad available with 4,000 naira. I'll go ahead and put 5,000 naira. So right, so let me put 5,000 naira on it. Then I'll click on confirm, right? So once I click on confirm, right, so I'm going to scroll down, right, a bit. So all right, so now I'm going to choose any person of my choice that is going to pay me the money into my local bank, right? So right, so I'll click on this person. So I'll put, maybe for instance, let me say $3. That's what I want to receive. Okay, this person does not accept $3, so I'm going to put $4, right? So you see the amount I'm going to receive, 6,340, right? So what I will do next, I'll go ahead and do select payment methods. So I'm going to choose any bank of my choice that I want to receive the money into. So once I select any bank of my choice, I'm going to click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, I'll come here and click on say, right? So after clicking on say, I'll wait till the person release the coin into my account. Until when I receive the money, that is when I'm going to release this coin to the person. Okay, let's wait for it. All right, what I'll do next, I'll click on release now, right? Now I will click on this. I confirm that I have received payment from so and so person. Then I'll click on release now again. Lastly, what I will do next, I will go to my Google Authenticator and copy the code and paste, and that is that. And that is how you can perform your P2P. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. Alright, see you guys on my next video.